Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix the .NET Framework update error on Windows 11 in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Settings and go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and try installing the .NET Framework update again. If the update still fails, press Windows plus R. Type services.msc and press Enter. Find Windows Update. Right-click it and select Restart. Also restart the Windows Update service if needed. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run these commands one by one. Wait until the scans are completed, restart your PC, and try the .NET Framework update again. If the problem is still there, run the Windows Update troubleshooter from Settings, System, Troubleshoot, and other troubleshooters. After completing these steps, check for updates again. Your .NET Framework update should install normally. If this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.